everyone. Today's video is for first and second standard students. Okay, and you have to just follow the following tips. Okay, you have to drink lots of water, eat lots of fruits, exercise daily, and if possible, you have to exercise with your family and sleep early and wake up early. Increase the reading time and sports time and reduce the screen time. Today's topic name is jumping and throwing. Okay. Now we want following properties. First, we want 3 paper made ball, 1 bucket, socks or chalk. Now we are going to start with warm up activity. Now you have to follow the following links for warm up. You have to do 2 times warm up activity. Now we are going to start the jumping activity. Okay, every drill you have to perform 20 seconds. Okay, and after activity you have to take a 30-second break. Okay, now when you complete all the drills, then you have to take 5-minute rest, and after 5 minutes we have to start the next activity. We are going to start the activity. The activity name is jumping. We want first ladder. You have to draw ladder like this. Okay, first drill name is one forward. Okay, you have to do any activity with your hand swing. You have to just see one. Now we are going to start the second drill. Second drill name is a two forward. Okay, you have to jump forward with hand swing. Okay, you have to jump on your toe. Okay, with hand swing. Now third drill name is a side jump. You have to jump sideways both legs with hand swing. Okay, on your toe without touching the ladder. Now we are going to start the fourth drill. Fourth drill name is a hopscotch forward. Okay, now you have to jump in and out. Look at me with hand swing. In, out, in, out, in, out, in. Now fifth activity name is in, out, forward. Okay, first you have to in, out, out, in, out, out, in, out. You have to do hand swing. Okay, next activity name is throwing in the bucket or tiffin. Okay, we want one tiffin and 3 paper made ball or rubber ball. Okay, first you have to place the tiffin here and 5 step back. Okay, you have to pick up the ball and you have to target in the tiffin. Okay, you have to throw like this. 1, 2. Okay, you have to do this activity for 20 attempts. Okay, now we are going to start the cooling down session. First, you have to draw one house. You have to stand inside the house. Okay, you have to walk around your house 25 steps. Okay, with hand swing. Stop. Cooling down is meditation. You have to sit. Okay, and you have to close your eyes for 30 seconds. Okay. After 30 seconds, you have to rub your palm and keep it on your eyes. And slowly you have to open your eyes. Thank you. Will you see in next week?